Oh, je m'excuse. Bonjour tout le monde. Je suis en Chartres, encore à Chartres. Je suis ici pour mon exhibition, mais mon exhibition est finie. Je suis ici pour le démontage. Oh, sorry everybody, I was just explaining to my French friends that we're back in Chartres and I've come to retrieve all my work from this wonderful exhibition here in the Galerie du Vitrail, the glass gallery here in Chartres, bang opposite the cathedral. I'm so lucky to have had this venue, and I think you can tell even from the film how wonderful this space is. I don't think my work has ever looked as impressive or splendid as it does here today. So, let's have a glass of wine and celebrate. Come on, Andrew.